Namaste friends, I am Divya Dawlat here. In today's tutorial, you are going to learn a simple elephant in air dry clay. So this is again one more diya holder, or you can keep your diyas directly in this. So this is in the shape of the elephant. It's very simple and it is for beginners. So please do watch us and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Friends, today now we are going to do our elephant. So where is our elephant? This is an elephant. I have put the ears, the tail and the trunk. Now I have put two eyes here. You're able to see, right? Fine. So I will start now. I would prefer generally a plain one for the elephant, but those who don't have plain, as I told you, please take any design. It's okay. You can take your old diya or new diya. It really doesn't matter. Old diya, when you do, it is like recycling it. So it's always good. When you don't want to use your old diya, clean that part and do this artifacts. It's very nice. You can decorate it for permanently. Okay. Now let's start with the base. Just take little clay in your hands. Again, I'm telling, based on your diya size, you can plan the legs. Now the legs is like this, okay? Now I'm taking this much clay. Again, put talcum powder in your hands. Make it round. Okay. The screen is visible right now? Now I'm making this ball. I'm just making it half, okay? Now turn this diya like this, okay? Now fix this, put little glue. Always safer side, put the glue, don't forget. Wipe your hands, and now I'm putting this like this and I'll pinch it. Now just see, I'm pinching it. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Got you. Not in the camera vicinity. Can you please keep
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
Now it's okay?
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. Fine. Now pinch this. Pinch this to the base like this. Now at this point I made like this. You have three options in this. You can just make this like this, fix it off like this, just make little straight so that the base has to become round, and you can leave it. If you want, you can leave it and fix the elephant head. One option. Second option, you can scrape this out and then fix four legs separately, which I'm going to do, which I feel is little easy. The third thing is that in this only you need to add more clay and make the shapes. Now that is little tough for the beginning stage. For that reason, I'll scrape out the extra clay and then I'll make four legs and fix it, which I feel is easy. Okay. Press it neatly so that this part is neat, and then I'm taking my cutter and only in this part to just clean up my design, I'm just putting some lines. Can you see this? So that it looks neat. Don't cut off, okay? Just press it. Just make the shape. See, this is all as extra. Those who don't want can always need not do it. These are optional. The clay should be equal. So make four partitions, 4 balls. Equal size for 4 legs, okay? The height all depends on you. I don't want it to be too tall, so I'm keeping this is my height. So your wish, your diya size, make it little thick so that it doesn't fall off, okay? And all the 4 legs should be equal size. So for that reason, I'm asking you, make the balls 4 equal balls and then 4 equal length. The length of all the legs should be same. The thickness should be same. Got this? Okay? So the length or height depends on you, how tall you want. I don't want it to be too much. I just used very less. I'm just pressing all this like this. just making the shape little. This should be flat. See that all the four is good shape. Now already I had applied little glue. I'm fixing this. The flat part will go on the bottom. When it turns like this, it will go on the bottom. Okay, like this. Got it? No. See and fix. See and fix. Fix all the four together and then we can start doing the designing. So any doubts, please let me know. I will answer now. Pinching all the four sides to this clay because it has to get mixed, because only with glue there are chances it will break off. So if I pinch it to my clay, it will get stuck and it will be strong. Just pinch this clay and to this clay. That's it. On all the sides. Even for tortoise, what you can do, you can directly fix on this, the body and the legs, or you can make a round shape, fix the legs and the tail, and then on the front part, on your that whatever hump is there, go press off nicely inside a round deep. A depth should be round. Then you can insert your diya inside that. So the tortoise is also easy in that way. I'm just keeping it little simple so that all of you can, just be able to do this elephant. Now just finish the edges neatly. It should be very neat. Yes, kid. It's nice. Someone is showing me. Charant, it's good. Yeah. Now, once you are done, please check. Please check. Yes, yes, kid. Just check. Is it sitting? That is our main motto. It should be sitting properly. Press it little. It has to get flattened and it should be nice. Now at this point, again you want to make toes. Wait, where is our that small knob? 1 second. My back part what we did for the peacock. I'm just taking this refill ka piche. I'll just do the toes. Just press it like this. Half. These are all small things that you can do. 3 or 4. Okay. Now which angle it is seeing, there you can press like this. Press on all the 4 legs. All are ready? All of you guys have done, ladies and kids? Let's start the face. It has to stand, fix and see. Now you decide which side. If you have this knob side, just decide you want to put which side. I am just having it plain. So I am doing either front or back. It doesn't matter to me. For ears, I am taking one small ball. Divide it into 2 equal balls. Okay. How much you want your size of your ears, make that much. Okay. Now press it like this. And one side I am tapping it like this. Those who have attended my Ganesha workshop, you know, right? The same type you have to do this. Make it like this, because this will go on the right and left side. Okay. Now this increase the size. Both the width and the length increase. It should be equal. Try to manage it that way. It's almost equal. Now I'm just pressing it like this little to give a shape for the ear. Okay. You can press this, increase the width if you want. In this, my ears are too big. I am not going to put that much big here, because this diya is 1 round smaller. Okay. So both the shapes I'll make. Okay. Then just press it like this. It should be like flat. Now your ears are here, right? Just give little twists like this. It looks nice, as if the fold has come on the elephant's ears. And both need not be equally the same type. Okay, little up and down is okay. Now again apply glue on both the sides and we are fixing the ears. So I fixed both my ears. I'm showing you. Can you see? Just pinch it little to your diya so that it gets fixed. Put glue and fix it, all of you. Now, when it gets semi-dried, take a cutter and you can make some lines. In the ears you have lines, right? When it is semi-dry, you can do that part. If you don't want, like I, with the gold paint, I did the lines later on. So it is okay. Now, for coloring, again I'll give you an idea. Do 2 different contrast colors. It will look beautiful. If you want to maintain the same color, you can do that also. Again, for this also, I'm telling you, on the trunk part, I just did with the gold lines. What you can do is that you can take some beads, pearls, glitter, 3D outliners, and you can make the designs. It will be like 3D projection. Okay. So the decoration part is up to you guys. However you want, whatever you want, you can decorate. Even on the ears part, you can decorate. Okay. On the legs here, on the sides also, you can do some ball chains. Anything you can decorate. For the face part, I have taken this round. Okay, this much. Make it round. Again, one side will be long, one side it will be thick. Now, how long you want your... Okay, now the face also depends on the length of your elephant here. So, see where your trunk has to be folded. Okay, see that. This is your shape. Now, here you can make it little more thin. Now, again the trunk part, you can fold it like this. It can be like this or it can be like this. Or it can go towards the side. If you want, you can put towards the side. You can fix some bananas to it. See, all are extra activities. Whatever else you want to do, you can do. You can fix some bananas. You can fix some laddu. So, this is how my face comes. Okay. Now, I'll just check here once. Now, before fixing, I'm just going to give a small cut here on the bottom part. The opening of the trunk here. Little, okay. I'm going to shape it like this. Now, as I told, you can make it little side, straight, or you can hold something else here, or if you want to hold it like this and one laddu inside here or banana, you can do anything. Plan it now itself. Once it is dried, you can't do. Now, this I'm going to fix. I'm going to turn towards my side. See this. Can you see this? 1 second. It's visible, right, all of you? I'm showing you towards the camera, huh? Fine. This can be more thick if you want. This can be more thick if you want, and now fix it to the base. Fix this. Again, at this point, whoever wants to put their eyes can do here. I don't want to do eyes here. I'm putting here. Then make the shape little. As if it is blessing, you can do. But this is not Ganesha, this is elephant, so it's okay. You can make anything. Even you want, you can fix one small cutie little plastic garland if you have. That also you can fix it on this later on. I don't have those things, but I'm just giving you ideas. Fine. Now again here, you can take your toothpick or cutter and make some V shapes or any shape. But I'm not keeping anything with the cutter or liner. Why? Because in the paint, I want to show all the decorations. Is this okay? We only have the, what else we have? We have the tail part. We have to make the tusk. Yeah, good, ma, good. So just quickly make the tusk. See, this is not Ganesha, so it will not have one broken tusk and one full tusk. It will have both the sides full tusk. So make 2 equal balls. Roll it on one side like a teardrop shape. Then whatever bottom thick part is there, just tap it to the table or any surface. Smoothen it like this. This we are going to fix it inside our trunk. How to fix? wherever you're fixing it, just make a hole, pierce it with your toothpick little, and don't make it straight hole, little side slant. Can you see? Little slant I'm doing it. Again I'm putting little glue inside this. Always glue is safer side on me. Push this like this. Push this. Both the side, push it towards side. Like this. It should come to the side. Okay. On both the sides, please do it. What you can do is that in the paint only you can show the eyes here, or you can take this toothpick and pierce this, or with the refill backside you can pierce the eyes here and make that, or after painting like how I did in this, you can show the eyes, 2 eyes. So it's all up to you, how you want, you plan. Now I'll just finish the tail part. Can all of you see this? As I said, you can put a small garland here, paper garland, or you can, if you have the small beads garland also you can do. Just show me, who is this? So you can do this way. Now I'm going to do the tail part. Okay, the tail part. Just take how much ever clay you want. Okay, this much I'm taking for my tail. Okay, now remember when you're doing the tail, be very careful. The length should be seen on this. Now this is too long, so I'll remove little. Yeah, little I'm making this. Can you see this? Now for the tail part, I'll just make some lines like this. On the corner end you have little hair part, right? So I'll just make this, then I'll paint black here. Okay. Now I'm going to fix this here. Fine. I'm just turning towards my side. All of you please check, whoever is doing now, check in your length of your leg and the diya, and then turn it. The tail can be twisted little upwards like this, and then fix it with the glue. Fix it with the glue. Can you see? Fix it with the glue. Can you see the tail part? It's fixed. Now as I said, coloring, you can use 2 different colors or single color or any color and do any decoration with the 3D outliner, or you can just leave it plain and color it with your paint. Hope to see everyone's painted version soon. You have a week's time, so please finish it. No worries. As you asked me for the drying, see, I am using air dry clay of Crayola. This almost took 8-9 hours for me to dry. Now Shilpkar and mold it takes at least 5-6 hours or maybe 8-9 hours. Some of the clays require more than 10 hours. It depends. But please don't go and put in the sun or anywhere. Just it's in the room temperature in the house, it will get dried. Only remember, don't touch it, because as you touch you can shift the position of the shape. So please don't touch. Leave it in a place where the kids or no one touches it. Let it dry. And the kids who are doing with me, you yourself don't touch it. Okay. So the drying time depends on your air dry clay. Yes, ma, tell me. Done with my elephant. I have cleared your doubts of the coloring and all. I think our time is done. So fish, those who ever wanted fish, I will make a video and send. So I'll just stop now. We'll just do with the question and answers, and then we can just wind up the session. So let's wind up this. Just let me know for the fish, or I will send the recording. So this is done. Our elephant is done. So I'll wind up the class here.